Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes, welcome to another XlucknoskillX tutorials. Today we are learning how to make an item using MCP with Modloader. Firstly, what you're going to do is open up a text editor of your choice. I'm going to be using Edit Rocket. And you're going to make a new file and save it as mod underscore whatever you want to call your mod. I'm going to call mine mod underscore item john.java and make sure it's saved in MCP, src, Minecraft, net Minecraft, src. Next thing you have to do is, in the description of this video, there will be a link to a TextEdit file called Modloader syntax. It will look just like this, and you're going to copy everything that's inside of there and paste it into your mod underscore whatever you called it .java file. Then replace all these stars that I've highlighted right now with what this file is called. And make sure that the .java isn't included. Okay, once you've replaced those stars with the file's name, you're going to make a new file and save this one as item, whatever you want to call your item. So item john.java. And again, save it in the src. Okay, now after you've created the item whatever you want to call your item.java file, you are going to go to the description of this video, and there'll be some text, and this will be what you need to copy and paste into this item whatever you call it .java file. And I'll be right back after I've written it. Welcome back to XlucknoskillX tutorials. Previously I left you off copying and pasting the text in the description of this video. Now this is what it should look like for you, and again you're going to replace these stars with what this file's name is. So item john. Again, do not include the .java. Okay, once you're done with replacing those two stars with the name of this file, you're going to go to line 8 and the end of it, and if you're at the equal sign, like just at the end of the equal sign, you're going to hit space and then an integer of your liking. So this integer will represent how many of these items you can stack at once. So you know how when you stack a block or an item in Minecraft, mostly it is 64, and after 64 it creates a new stack for you. So this is basically what it defines. So I want the max stack to be 12, and then after you enter your integer, you're gonna hit the semicolon. Okay, so you're done with that file, so you can save that and go to your mod underscore item .java file, and you're going to go to line 6, the beginning, and hit enter twice, and then go back up to line 6 and type in the following: public static final item, because it's an item john equals new item john. Now here is customizable. You can change this to your liking, but it's just a reference to this file, so you don't have to write the entire directory for the file, just so you can get the contents of this into this. So whenever you type item john in any of these things, it's going to reference to this file, and it's going to use this file's contents. Okay. So then, after you've typed new item, whatever you called it, opening bracket, and this is where you define the item's ID. And the item's ID is basically the data code, I think you call it, because you know in multiplayer you type /give your username and then a number, and then the quantity of how many of the block or item you want. This basically defines that number, and again it has to be an integer, it can't be point anything. So I'm going to type 1,000 because I know 1,000 hasn't been used. So end it off with a closing bracket, and the last bit you're going to type is .set item name, and this isn't the in-game name. This is actually what Minecraft refers the item. It refers Minecraft uses okay. It uses this name to refer to the block, the item, blah. Okay. Once you're done, end it off with a semicolon. Then you're going to go to line 10. And if you're not where I am now, you go all the way to the beginning and hit tab twice. Okay, then follow from now. Okay. Type the item then type the name you wrote up here, followed by icon index, lowercase I for the icon, and then equals modloader dot add override. Make sure that the A is lowercase, and then this is where you write the directory for what you're going to override. So slash meaning Minecraft slash GUI slash items .png. PNG. Okay, once you've typed that, you're going to go after the quotation mark, you're going to go comma, space, 2 more quotation marks, and then the directory of the file you're going to replace. The PNG you're going to replace. Now if you wanted to put it in a folder, you would do 2 slashes, and in between those 2 slashes you would type your folder's name, so maybe it could be textures, and then after that, after the slash, after the S is the picture's name, so itemjohn.png. Okay, and you can always add multiple folders, so items. Okay, so in Minecraft, textures and items will be the following PNG file, but just so we don't complicate things, we're gonna just go slash itemjohn, so it's in Minecraft, and directly in Minecraft is the PNG folder. Okay, once you're done with that, you're gonna end after the quotation mark, after the G, you're gonna type closing bracket and semicolon. Then hit enter and type modloader.add name, and yes, this is the in-game name, and you're gonna type the name you clarified up here, John, and then comma, space, and then in quotation marks you're gonna type the in-game name for your item. So I want mine just to be item space John, and end it off with a closing bracket and a semicolon. Hit enter one last time, and you're gonna type you can use 2 options on how to get this item. One, from smelting, and you can access that tutorial by clicking the link here, or a normal recipe, which will be up here. Okay, now I'm going to go with a normal recipe. So if you have watched it enough that you've memorized how to do it, you just do what you have to do, because I'm not going to explain it that much in here. So you're going to type modloader.add recipe with capital A and R, and then bracket new item stack, and then what you want to result in, and then you're going to after item stack, you're going to go opening bracket, and then the name you clarified up here, comma, and then how many you want. I'm going to say 5, closing bracket, new object. So, character value of dirt, and you're done. So you can save it, minimize it, go to terminal, type cd space, and then drag in your MC folder in, and hit enter. Then type bash recompile.sh, hit enter, and then check if you got any errors. If you don't, then no errors will show. Okay, no errors, cool. Then type bash start client.sh, hit enter. Test Minecraft should open up. What? Oh, sorry guys about that. Turns out that the problem was that I didn't put the picture in there. So we're gonna copy, and you're gonna paste it in MCP bin Minecraft where it says, and where the following classes are: in.class, start.class, and start $1 is. So paste it in there, and now we should be good to go. If it doesn't, okay, cool. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, create new world 1. Hit enter. How are we doing for time? Pretty well. Come on. Okay, so our recipe was 1 dirt in the crafting table. So I'll do that right now. We should get item John. Ta-da! Oh, cool, and the max stack size works. See when I try to combine these two, it doesn't work because our max stack size is 12. That's awesome. But so far these items do nothing, but you can But you can use these for recipes, so you can import the file, the items file, and then you can make a recipe using the item. And that might come in a later tutorial, but for now, if you have any errors, please send me. I will be more than happy to fix them for you or look at them. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if this tutorial helped you. And happy modding!